What's good, VNZ? Welcome to the VroomN'Zooom channel. Now look, today is a special day. Not only did we do back-to-back videos, but today we'll be installing some AVS rain guard wind visors. Now look, I got these about a month ago. Took some time to wait for the special day to put them in. Today is the special day we put them in. So let's get to it. I don't want to talk around. I don't want to beat around the bush. Let's get right into the action. Now, for the first step in installing the wind visors, you have to make sure that we clean the part that the wind visor is going on. I got me some nice soap and water inside of a bucket, a clean rag, and let's get to cleaning. Alright, so after you wipe it down and you get extra clean, extra clean, you want to take another rag. If you don't have another rag, just give it a couple minutes to dry off. But I have another rag, so you're going to take a dry rag, wipe it down, make sure no dust, dirt, anything is on it. Wipe it down real good. Now it is dry. I forgot to mention, it comes with a set of instructions. But at VNZ, we don't use any instructions. We just go off the top of our head. After that step, you want to take the alcohol wipes. It comes with 2 alcohol wipes. You only need one for one side. So we're going to rip it. We're going to clean it down, sanitize it so that there's no grease on top of the part that we just cleaned. This is an extra step in preparation so that we can make sure it sticks good. Now let's wipe it down. Open up the wipe. Now, as y'all can see, I still clean, but a little bit of dirt came off with the alcohol wipes. So after sanitizing the front part that the AVS wind visor is going to go on, you want to make sure that this front part right here, because there's opposite sides. This one is for the passenger side, this one is for the front driver side. So you want to make sure you choose the right one, because if you choose the wrong one, it's not going to come out the way that you think it's going to come out. Now, I'm going to measure it up onto where I think I should put it down on. So you really want to focus on the corners, making sure it lines up with the corners, because that's going to give you the right fit, and it's going to let you know that the rest of the product is going to be aligned perfectly where it should be. So focus on the corners. It's right on the corner, and that's where I want it. So what we're going to do now is going to take the adhesive tape off. Oh my god, these stupid tapes.
3,000 years later.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
We finally got the tape off. It took about 30 years. This is the most important part, because if you mess this up, it's more than likely you're not going to be able to get that same adhesive stick. So precision is very key. Do not rush this part. So you want to focus on the cornering. Alright, looks good about there. Place it down. And you just want to line it up right along that door seal. Keep lining it up. Ooh, this is extra sticky. Sheesh. Line it up. Line it up. Line it up. After you line it up, press down on it. Make sure that it sticks. I think that looks good right there. What do you think, trusty sidekick?
Looks good to me.
Bet. So, I'm also going to take one of the dry wipes that I used and I'm just going to wipe it off so that there's not a lot of dust on it. You know, I'm a very clean type of guy. Wow. Unfortunately, they didn't have this part covered correctly. There's like a little gap missing, but what can you do about it? So that was the driver's side, but now we're going to go on the passenger side and do the same exact thing. Let's get back into it. So now that we're on the passenger side, we're going to do the same exact thing that we did on the driver's side. And we're going to start back with step one. And we're going to start with cleaning. Now I know some of you are wondering, besides the look of the rain guard wind visors, what does it do? The wind visors help protect you guys when it's raining. And you guys just want to roll the window down, get the fresh air, get the fresh breeze. And you don't want the AC on, you want the natural breeze. This is a perfect product to put on your windows, so that you can roll it down, allow the fresh air to go through. You don't want to roll it down all the way because obviously, depending on where you guys are, the rain might still go in. You can roll it down halfway and the rain visors will allow the rain to come off of it and just drip down onto your car. Now, going back to step one in cleaning. Now, I think I got everything done. After you wash it with the wet towel, you're going to take the dry towel, wipe it down again. Make sure that it's very dry, there's no dust. Now, after you dry it down with the dry towel, you're going to take the alcohol prep pad, you're going to open it up. We're going to do the same thing that we did for the driver's side. Wow. See the dirt? So now that we're done with the alcohol prep pad, we're going to measure it up like we did over in the driver's side. And we're going to make sure that we get a good fit. Remember, make sure that you guys get the corners. You guys want to focus on the corners so that you guys can get a perfect fit. You don't want anything tilted, slanted, because then that's not going to be the point of it. Now, I think this looks good. What do you think, my trusty sidekick?
Looks good to me.
Alright, bet. So now we're going to take the tape off. And we're going to get to installing it. Now let's go.
Another 30 years.
Another 30 years of taking this off. Here we go. Oh my God, it's sticking to everything. Now remember, this is the most important part. Do not rush this process, because you want to make sure that you get a perfect fit. Remember the corners. Get down, cornering right there, boom. Now after you corner it, you want to make sure that it aligns just along that door sill right there. Boom. 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 Perfecto. Now after that, you just want to make sure that it's really glued on there. Give it a good press. Good, Bertha. Now that is how you install the AVS wind visors on your Nissan Altima coupe or any car, but this is my car, baby Bertha. So you guys really just want to make sure that you guys wait about 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours in washing your car, because you really want the adhesive to stick on the material. If you wash it, obviously it's gonna ruin the adhesive. So make sure you guys give it a good stamp. It looks good. I like the way that it came out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you want to see more content on Nissan Altimas. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment what you guys think about the video. Till next time, PNC.